Hi everyone, so today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge, problem number 938, range sum of BST. So in this problem, we have been given a binary search tree and we have to find the sum of all the node values which are within a specific given boundaries like lower boundary and upper boundary. And those boundaries will be in the inclusive range. So one property of binary search tree is all the nodes to a left of a node will have lesser values than the parent node, and similarly all the nodes on the right subpart will have the greater values than the parent node. So we are going to use this this behavior or this concept to solve this problem as well. So what we will be doing is we will be just simply traversing the whole tree on this concept, and we will just sum up all the values which are within this specific range and we'll get the answer. So let's start the solution and let's see. So first, what I want to do is I want us to create a variable which I'll be returning at the end. So it's like the result will be the variable name. And now what I want to do is I want to create a nested function to do the traversing. So one benefit of nested function will be we don't have to pass these values again and again to the function. Okay. First check which I want to do is if node is none. If the current node, like the received node is none, I will simply return 0 from this. Okay. Next, what I want to check is if a node value, for example, instead of 5, instead of lower boundary 7, if it was 4, right? I would like to check after this node as well. So what we'll have to do is we will go to left subpart as well until we find the node with the lower boundary, the value of the lower boundary. So if not of node dot value is less than left. So for example, if in this case, like in this example, sorry, this should be low. The lower value was 7. Okay, we were at the root, let's say. Okay, node dot value is 10. 10 is not lower than 7. So we would like to check we would like to check the left subpart of the node as well, right? Similarly, we'll go to the this node. The value was 5, right? And lower was 7, so it becomes true, and negation of true is false. So we will skip this part, like we will not further go to the left subpart. Similarly for the right side as well, if node dot value, sorry, it should be high, then range sum node dot right until we find the value which exceeds our boundary. At the last, I want to check if the value lies like if the value lies between the given boundary, we want to end up add that value to this variable, right? So if node dot value is greater than equal to row and node dot value is less than equal to high, then self dot result, I want to add that in the variable we are using, right? At the last, I'll start this traversing with the root node, right? And I would like to return the variable which we have created. Okay, this was a simple solution. Let's see. So we passed this test case successfully. Let's submit the solution for all the test cases. Yep. So we successfully passed the test cases, all the test cases, and we performed decently with, like, the last time I think I submitted the solution, we were getting the 92.99% of yeah, better solution. We were beating 99.99% of the submissions. So thanks a lot guys for watching the video and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Thank you.